Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for hitting that play button. You're amazing. My name is Johnny. I'm with HomeCountry Mathematics. I certainly do appreciate you being here. Let us continue. We are going to work on a word problem. Don't worry, it's fairly easy. The question is, the dimensions of a rectangular backyard are 45 feet by 84 feet. What is its perimeter? Okay, first things first. Let's use the square shape. Life is easier. Okay, so our numbers are our values. We have length and width. Just as always. The perimeter is the distance. We could pretend it's the fence area as well. If we walk this distance and walk this distance and walk this distance and walk this distance back to our original starting position, we have just walked the perimeter. So our width is 45 feet. Our length is 84 feet. Let's solve. Our perimeter is going to be P equals 2 times W. Why 2 times W? Because we have 2 widths. Plus 2 times the length. Same thing. We have 2 lengths. Let's substitute. Plus 84. This is called substitution. The variables or letters we use are used as symbols for substitution. 45, so we're going to solve the left hand side and the right hand side. 45 times 2. I highly recommend that you have your multiplication table memorized. Good luck. 4 times 2, correction. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Our first value is then 90. Let's get our second one. 84 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Our perimeter is going to be 90 plus 168. We shall do it right here. Line up your ones place when you are adding. 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 6. A quicker way to do this is to make this 10. In order to make the 9 a 10, we have to borrow a 1 from the 6. If we borrow a 1 from the 6, it becomes a 5. Correct? So it's quick math in your head. 9 plus 6 is the same as saying 10 plus 5. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, our perimeter is 258. Don't forget your units. Feet. Let's use the quick box for our answer. Okay. Let's clean this up, and I'll leave you with one more problem. You can easily solve this. Okay. L W 25 and 1/4. Our units are feet. $42 and 5/8. have something else for you. It's something you can find on the internet, or you can snipping tool what I have here. It's a fractional decimal conversion chart. We have fractions 5/8 and 1/4. One quarter, 0.250. And then they have the metric equivalent in millimeters. The other one is 5/8, which is greater than 1/2. That's 0.625. You're not expected to memorize all these, but you should have the main ones memorized, such as 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1. Those are your main fractional numbers. Again, you're going to solve for the perimeter. Perimeter equals 2 times W plus 2 times L for length. You can turn your values into decimal format. Okay? At this point, you can substitute and solve. I am going to quickly give you the answer. Don't forget your units. There's your answer, and good luck. You will have a decimal value, but it's just a matter of converting it back from a decimal to a fractional. Good luck, and thank you for watching.